Welcome to my channel. Today I have a special challenge for you, a quiz on animals. It has 20 multiple choice questions, each with 4 possible answers. Only one answer is correct. Are you ready to take the challenge? Then let's get started. Which of these animals is a mammal? Crocodile, penguin, platypus, shark. Correct answer is platypus. What is the name of the group of animals that have feathers and wings? Reptiles, amphibians, birds, insects. Correct answer is birds. What is the term for an animal that eats animals? Herbivore, carnivore, omnivore, detritivore. The correct answer is carnivore. What is the process by which animals change their appearance to match their surroundings? Mimicry, camouflage, adaptation, mutation. The correct answer is camouflage. What is the largest living animal on earth? Elephant, whale shark, blue whale, giraffe. The correct answer is blue whale. What is the name of the group of animals that have a backbone? Invertebrates, vertebrates, chordates, insects. The correct answer is vertebrates. What is the term for an animal that eats plants? Herbivore, carnivore, omnivore, detritivore. The correct answer is herbivore. What is the name of the organ that fish use to breathe underwater? Lungs, gills, spiracles, trachea. The correct answer is gills. What is the term for an animal that can live both on land and in water? Terrestrial, aquatic, amphibious, aerial. The correct answer is amphibious. What is the term for an animal that eats both plants and animals? Herbivore, carnivore, omnivore, detritivore. The correct answer is omnivore. What is the name of the animal group that includes frogs, toads, salamanders, and newts? Reptiles, amphibians, mollusks, arthropods. Correct answer is amphibians. What is the term for an animal that feeds on dead or decaying organic matter? Scavenger, predator, parasite, decomposer. Correct answer is scavenger. What is the term for an animal that has no eyes or very poor eyesight? Blind, deaf, anosmic, aphonic. The correct answer is blind. What is the term for an animal that lives in a colony with other members of its species? Solitary, social, symbiotic, territorial. Correct answer is social. What is the term for an animal that has hair or fur, produces milk, and has a four-chambered heart? Bird, reptile, mammal, amphibian. The correct answer is mammal. What is the term for an animal that has feathers, wings, a beak, and lays eggs? Mammal, reptile, amphibian, bird. The correct answer is bird. What is the term for an animal that lives in or on another organism and harms it? Predator, parasite, scavenger, symbiont. Correct answer is parasite. What is the name of the animal group that includes snakes, lizards, turtles, and crocodiles? Reptiles, amphibians, mammals, birds. Correct answer is reptiles. What is the name of the animal group that includes humans, monkeys, dogs, cats, and whales? Mammals, birds, reptiles, amphibians. The correct answer is mammals. Which helps birds keep their body warm? Fur, scales, feathers, sweat glands. Correct answer is feathers. If you like this quiz, please do subscribe the channel, like and share the video. Thank you.